Hi, today we're going to be making pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. So you're going to start with 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, and it can be canned or fresh or however you like it, but I used the canned, so 1/2 cup of that. Now you're going to add 2 eggs. And now you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to add 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the sugar, I'm going to substitute it with stevia in the raw because it is a 0-calorie sweetener and it's natural and comes from a plant. So it doesn't have all those unnecessary chemicals in it. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of that. Now we're going to add a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. And you can use a spoon to get any extra out of the cup. Now you're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. Instead of regular milk, I'm using almond milk. It's higher in protein and less fat. 2 cups of raw oats. For this recipe, the oats kind of substitute for the flour since we aren't using flour in this recipe. And the oats kind of make up for the consistency of the flour. And now we're going to add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. A tablespoon of coconut oil. And now you are ready to stir all the ingredients up. Now set your oven to preheat to 350. Now that all the ingredients are mixed up, we can add the chocolate chips. So I'm using Lily's, and they're dark chocolate chips, and they're sweetened with stevia. And now you can just fold those in with the rest. Now you're going to spray the pan with some non-stick oil. You're going to add a couple spoonfuls of the mixture to each cup on the pan. And this recipe makes about 12 muffins. So now that the oven is preheated and all the muffins are added, we can now put them in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and firm. And now they're ready to be served.